Hello, this is Simon Shield Cars Limited here, and we're going to show you today a beautiful Volkswagen Touran we've got for sale. This is a 1.6 TDI SE. It's finished in Acapulco blue metallic, which looks absolutely lovely, with a very dark grey cloth interior. Beautiful car, 39,000 miles, complete Volkswagen service history with it, including a recent cam belt replacement done by Ipswich Volkswagen as well. So let's have a look around. Starting at the front here. As you can see, this is the more modern shape, so you've got the newer grille, newer lights, and front parking sensors. Now, as you might notice, the side parking sensor here indicates this car's got the park assist system on it as well, which actually parks the car. Well, we'll show you a video of how it works, but it actually steers the car into a parking space. Now we're going to show you how the active park assist works on this Volkswagen Touran. So, push the button down in the middle here. As you can see from the screen there, it's telling us to go forward with the park assist, which we will do. And it will now look out on the left hand side for a gap which is big enough to park the car in. As you can see there, it's now found a space which is big enough. It's asking us to reverse in. So what we do now is select reverse. I keep my hands off the steering wheel. It's saying steering intervention active, check around the vehicle, make sure there's nothing in the way, and we start to reverse up, and as you'll see, the steering wheel will take over, and what it's doing is it's getting us accurately into a tight space. We'll take over, and what it's doing is it's getting us accurately into a tight space. So you keep going back, follow the instructions on the screen, you keep going back until the system actually tells you that the active park assist is finished. Take over on the steering wheel, and it's now parked you as close as it possibly can to the car behind and the curb as well. It takes everything into account. So if there was a curb here, it would be about a few inches away from the curb. Really clever, really useful in tight parking spaces. The car is absolutely beautiful. It's in lovely condition. Really can't find a mark on it. All the alloy wheels are in tip-top condition. No dinks, no dents, no scratches, no scuffs, which is quite unusual because quite often these are used for family use, so you can find these a little bit worn, but this one definitely isn't. Supplied by Ipswich Volkswagen last time round, 2 owners from new. I'll show you in the back. So as you can see at the moment, the configuration is for load rather than people. This has got 7 seats, we'll show you how they work. It's got the load area cover covering up the back space, loads of room in there if you want to use it just for loads. But I'll show you what happens here. This is removable, so if you want to take that out, very easy, just pop it out. The seats then pop up out of the floor. You've got a flat floor until you fold these up. And then the headrests stored under here. And quite simply, you slot those into position. Okay. Rear parking sensors obviously as well. Down this side, same as the other side, all very clean, very tidy. You've got some nice roof rails on the top here in chrome, which if you need to put a roof box or something else on the top, you can buy the crossbars to go over. It's also got sun protection rear glass on the car as well, just helps keep it a bit cooler inside. Okay, let's have a look inside the back here. So as I said, all individual seats in the back here, they all move individually. As you can see, this one's moved further forward to give more space in the back, more legroom in the back and a bit less in the middle. And they also recline individually as well. So it's like having It's like having 3 front seats in the back of the car, so it's really flexible. They all fold individually, they all come out individually as well, so you can take 1 out, 2 out, or all 3 out and virtually turn it into a van in the back there, which is really, really useful. Incredibly flexible, this. It's really, really useful. As you can see as well, you've got the little seat back tables here which fold up. Got one folded out here. If you don't want to use it, folds back down and it's out of the way. Just like to show you these headrests as well. The front seat headrests adjust up and down, but also backwards and forwards, which is quite clever, because if you do want to have your head further forwards or further backwards, gives a little bit more comfort there. Okay, so let's have a look in the front. As you can see from the door card here, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors which are heated as well, and moving around inside the car, as you can see, you've got a multi-function steering wheel here. This you can control the radio, you can also control the phone system. It's got DAB radio, and you can also control the Bluetooth system on this as well. Cruise control in the car also. And then moving down into the center console, obviously air conditioning and the radio system there, and then down to the bottom, the switches there underneath the radio. You've got the controls for the park assist, the active parking, and also the traction control. 6-speed gearbox, and then moving back to the armrest. Underneath the armrest, I believe I'm right in saying we've got the sockets for the media connections as well. So under the bonnet here, as you can see, all nice and clean and tidy. This is the 1.6 TDI engine, so very economic. Still plenty of power though. All the usual bits and pieces, very easy to get to there. Okay, so there we have it. 2012 on a 62 plate VW Touran 1.6 TDI SE, Acapulco blue, 39,000 miles, full Volkswagen service history, 2 owners, and recent cam belt replacement as well. So if you need any more information, please ring us on 01473 658 091, or alternatively go onto the website, which is simonshieldcars.co.uk, for all the specification and all the photographs. Thank you for watching.